Hello friends, here is a lecture on Inheritance in Java by Pinky Sawlani, Department of Computer Science, Sinhagar College of Science, Pune. So, as we can see from the animation, we will try to understand what is the meaning of inheritance. As we know, the qualities of parents, that is mom and dad, are inherited in their children. So is the case with base class and derived class. The properties of base class, in technical term or in Java we can say, the properties of base class, that is like we can say in this case is the dad, are inherited in derived class, that is in this case daughter. Okay, so now we will see the actual definition of inheritance. So, what is inheritance? It is a mechanism in which an object acquires the properties and behavior of a parent class. So, here are some types. Types are single level inheritance, multi-level inheritance, and hierarchical inheritance. So, we can understand it with the help of this diagram, and this we can consider example also. In single level inheritance, there is only one base class and one derived class. Say, if here employee is the base class and programmer is the derived class, we can consider if employee has the fields employee ID, name, date of birth, and address, and if programmer class is inherited from employee class, then it will automatically have these four fields, and it will have some special fields also. Say for example, its programming skills, in which language he or she is developing. Okay, so this is single level inheritance. Next is multi-level inheritance. So in multi-level inheritance, employee is the base class from which developer is derived from employee base class, and also Android developer is derived from the derived class of employee. So this is multi-level inheritance. So Android developer is the derived class of developer and developer is the derived class of employee. So this is in multiple stages, multi-levels are there. So the name multi-level inheritance. Next is hierarchical inheritance. In hierarchical inheritance, the base class is employee and derived classes are HR, manager and accountant. Next, the syntax of Java inheritance is class, subclass name, then extends superclass name. So here we will write the subclass name and here we will write the superclass name. In our example, if we consider programmer and employee example, we can write class programmer extends employee, and here there will be methods and fields. Next, the extends keywords indicates that you are making a new class that derives from an existing class. The meaning of extends is to increase the functionality. So the programmer class functionality has been increased by using extends keyword. Next, class which is inherited is called as parent class or superclass, and new class is called as child class or subclass. Next, single inheritance. What is single inheritance? We have already seen when a class inherits another class, it is known as single inheritance. We'll understand it with the help of example. In this example, we have created a base class. The base class is class animal, and we have created a derived class, that is class dog. Okay, so in class animal we have created a method known as eat, void eat, and it is printing. The system.out.println is for printing. It is printing eating. And we have created a derived class dog. So we can write class dog and extends, which is the base class is animal, so we will write here the name of the base class animal, and here void bark, system.out.println barking. So in this class it will have two methods, eat also and bark also. Why? Because dog is the derived class of class animal, so it will automatically inherit this eat method, and it will have your eat method also and bark method also. So if we have to create object of this class dog, we will create in main method. So we can create it by using dog d equals to new dog. This is the syntax for creating uh, object in Java. So what is the syntax? uh, Class name, object name equals to new class name and this brackets, and then we can call these methods. We can call both the methods, because as we know, dog has two methods, bark and eat. So d dot bark, d dot eat, and the output of this program will be barking and eating. Not only barking, it will have the output barking and eating both. So here we have completed the with the example of single level inheritance, and in subsequent lectures we will see what is multi-level inheritance and what is hierarchical inheritance. Thank you.